Alright, airspeed's looking real nice. Got that descent coming in. You could probably go ahead and bring it all the way to idle now. We definitely got the runway made. Well, alright, that might have been a little aggressive.
Yeah, that's alright. I'm going to bring it back in. I'm going to extend it out a little bit to make sure that we're...
Okay, yeah, you got plenty of runway. Usually, you know, for style points, you want to try to touch down, but obviously, since we just had that regional jet, we got 5,000 feet of runway, we'll use it. Alright, heels on the floor, yep. Airspeed's looking nice, a little fast, but not terrible.
Okay.
Yeah, right around 75 miles an hour. We're well past where he touched down, so this is working out great.
Cessna 7905 number, Springs Tower, wind calm, runway 31 at Bravo 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway.
Just hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Nice. Nice. Let's get the flaps out, and let's get on the brakes. Let's do a short field takeoff. Killers for the options. Let's do a stop and go, since we're closer to the end of the runway anyway. Yep, so apply brakes, get her stopped. Yeah, let's really get on it, get her stopped.
That's okay to say. I was tapping them.
Yeah, if you really need to get it stopped, you can use it. I mean, you don't want to get in the habit of doing that all the time, but if you need the brakes,
okay,
use the brakes, you know? Okay, so here we are. So short field, as you know, you're going to hold the brakes. Let's run the checklist.
All right.
I see. Soft field, normal, short field. All right, flaps 25 degrees.
Okay, 1, 2.
All right, nose wheel straight. Directional gyro, check to heading. Yeah, we're good. Brakes apply and hold.
Holding.
So we're taking the throttle to 2,000, checking the gauges, putting the throttle full in and relaxing, and we're going to rotate at 66 miles per hour. All right, everything's in the green, so then you put the throttle the rest of the full way in. All right, and then release the brakes. Heels on the floor.
Stayed at 66.
Tower E31 Tango Sierra on the go, 35 right.
1 Tango Sierra, roger, at your discretion, make right close traffic.
Right close traffic, A31 Tango Sierra.
Cessna 37 Golf, wind calm, runway 35 left, third for the option.
35. All right, there's about 66, start to rotate. And we're off.
Okay.
And although obviously we had all the runway, it just seemed like a good opportunity to do your short field, you know?
Yeah, that was the first one. I think that was the first one we did. It was crowded yesterday.
Yeah.
Cool. That makes sense. Utilizing full power, least amount of runway.
Yep. Let me go ahead and get the flaps out. And remember, there's two different ones in here. There's the short field with an obstacle, and there's a short field with no obstacle.
Right.
We did the one with an obstacle. We should have did the one without one. The only real difference is that you're rotating at 52 miles per hour. Gets you off the ground faster.
Roger.
Takes a little longer to get that 50 foot of clearance, but if you're worried that you're going to run out of runway and I just need to get this thing off the ground, which was the situation we were in. I mean, not really, but kind of what we were simulating.
Roger. VH or VX and Y.
Yep. So VY would be an obstacle. The little thing on the X. That's my visual that helps me remember it. VY is just max rate.
Roger that.
Cessna 05 number, turn right heading 060.
060, 05 November.
That was 4310, Springs Tower, hold short run at 35 right, traffic crossing off the park turn.
Hold short 35 right, dash 43.
Forgot this too.
Yeah, we did.
We probably had more power, probably would use less runway, right?
Roger.
So regional jet will depart 50.